Peace be upon you all, and welcome to my channel. Did you know that the HMI in this simulation can display measurements in two different ways? One is the metric system, which uses Celsius, and the other is the US system, which uses Fahrenheit. As you can see on the screen, the temperature in Toolbox ST is recorded in Fahrenheit, but it's displayed in Celsius. Changing the display is very easy if you want to. All you need to do is open Cimplicity Workbench, open your project, then go to Advanced and select Measurement Units. Double-click on Measurement Units, then go to Dynamic. After that, go to the File tab and select Active System. From there, you can switch between metric and US units. Just keep in mind that the HMI is designed to work with the metric system. If you want to use the US system, you'll need to adjust the scales on the screens. You can do this for all measurement units or only for selected ones. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.